2018 Ram 1500 5.7 liter V8. We got a little something different on this one. Got factory converter there and there, then it winds into a single 3.5 inch all the way. And then we had a BORLA ATAK just laying around. And the guy didn't want too much drone, so we're gonna try this out. I don't know, I don't have any part numbers on it, but it's a BORLA ATAK, single in, dual out. That was on a different truck. Then we did 2 1/4 tailpipes on each side, there and there, into some 4-inch roll tips out the back, there and there. This is the tailpipe that was on it, the brown, and that's the muffler that was on it. So it was a single setup with a and this one's called a resonator that's in the middle between the tailpipe, right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. 2013 Ram 1500 5.7 liter V8. Really beautiful truck. God, what color is this? What do we call this? Burnt copper or burnt orange. There's probably a name for it. Let us know in the comments what the true name of it is. All right, guys? Anyways, factory converters, there and there. And then as you guys can see, true dual all the way back. And we did it in 2-inch. He wanted it as loud as possible. He lives in the country and he wants to compete with everybody else out there. So we did 2-inch all the way back. Then we did a rear resonator delete there and there. And put some 5-inch roll tips, our signature roll tips by 18s. I know you guys can't find them. I'll try to find you another link. Or I might start supplying them to Amazon. What do you guys think? Let us know. Anyways, that's what it looks like. There's the 2 resonators, there and there, and the 2 tips. And then there's where it winds into a single right there. And as you guys can see, you always want to try to true dual them because there is no breathing out of that. It's really restricted. And it had a Flowmaster Super Tin on it. We took it off too. It's a knockoff. It wasn't even a real Super Tin. There it is, 3-inch pipe. That's what it looks like after. A lot sexier, a lot nicer. Let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. We really need you guys to hit that subscribe button so we can grow and prosper. Yeah, it's perfect. When you get on it, you hear it. The idle, clean sound. Yeah, I like that. Here's sound decibels. Again. 107. Huh? 107 is fine. Yeah. The sound is different. Yeah, it is. Nice. Wow, that sounds good. I like it. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Yeah. Stop. Go ahead. Nice idle to it too. That's so awesome, dude. Again. Got that crackle up pop, baby. Let you guys hear on the inside. 1500 with BORLA Attack and dual tips. Not dual tips. Yeah, dual tips. Black rolled 4-inch. That sounds nice. Be smooth. In a little bit. Why? So loud. Enjoy, guys. Heavy power.